guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa Correa and this is my channel. Alright guys, so before I get into the video, I just want to share some information and some details. I just want to talk to you guys about a link that I will be having in my description, a link that will have various resources on how you can support the Black Lives Matter movement amidst everything that's happening in our country right now. Some people can see it as a bad thing and destructive, but honestly, it's what needs to happen in order for justice to occur, for peace to finally be peaceful. There's different petitions you can sign, there's different numbers you can call to support all the lives that have been lost due to senseless violence, and many more different ways that you can help. So make sure you guys go check that out. Don't stop spreading awareness, keep fighting for justice. It's really important. So I'm filming on my phone today. I've never really filmed at my vanity. I just want this to be a chill, laid back video. I'm gonna start by putting my hair up. But yeah, I just wanted to do this video to update you guys on what's been happening, some exciting stuff that I have coming. To get started, of course, I did not post last week. I've missed 2-3 posting days. It obviously didn't feel right to post, but that was honestly the main reason. That was not even on my mind. Like, posting a video was not on my mind. I was just focusing on spreading awareness and fighting for what's right, which I know a lot of you guys have done too. It was really important for me to just take a break and just focus on what needs to be focused. So I want to start posting again, posting slowly, but not forgetting what we're fighting for, not forgetting what's going on in the world. So I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use like this mirror that I have, because yeah, girl doesn't really have mirrors. So I will, like I said, I will be having a link down below. I don't know if I'll have various links. I think there's one link that can just lead you to all of the ways that you can help with the Black Lives Matter movement. And make sure you guys check out ways that you can sign petitions. I've signed a bunch already. You guys have probably signed a lot also. Check out if there's some links you haven't signed yet. Sign some petitions, call some numbers. Also, if you can, make some donations. I've personally made a donation. I've made a couple donations actually. Any donation counts, guys. You don't have to donate like $100. Donate what you can. I'm gonna go with some foundation now. This is honestly like my favorite foundation. Thank you to Jonathan who got this for me. It's in the shade 290. So I'm in the shade 290. I got a tan. I went to the beach once and I feel like I got a tan a little bit, like a shade. So hopefully it's not too light on me. Out of all my friends that went to the protest, it has honestly, besides everything that's been happening at the protest, the protests have been very peaceful and very beautiful. I haven't attended them because, again, COVID, my asthma, it's just a lot. Honestly, I'm doing my makeup right now because honestly I just wanted to get ready with you guys, update you guys on what's going on. Because my makeup now, because I'm actually getting ready to film another video. I'm going to be reviewing Slay by Ella Co's lashes. If you guys don't know who Ella is, she's A Boogie's girlfriend. She has a lash company. So make sure you guys tune in for that video. It's the next video. Alright guys, I'm just gonna set my concealer. You guys know the gist. Something else that I want to talk about. So a lot of you guys know that I have started a Talita's Closet Instagram. I will be starting to sell some of my closet items. Obviously the clothes that I don't donate, I'm going to be selling, because a lot of you guys have asked, like, where do you buy this? I can't find this. Can I just buy it off of you? And I used to think that was so weird. I'd just be like, a lot of people doing it now, and I actually have bought from people from their closet, and it's honestly not a bad idea. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys go follow Talita's Closet. I'll be posting the outfits, the first like batch of outfits that I'm gonna be selling. I'll be posting that this week, by the end of this week. I won't be selling though until June 25th, just because I was supposed to launch everything June 2nd, but everything happened with the Black Lives Matter movement, and I did not, like, to be honest, I really forgot about the whole Talita's Closet thing. It came to the night before the launch and I was like, I haven't done anything for it. I decided not to do it that day, not to do it the day after. Instead, I just really explained to you guys where I was at. but I have not posted any pictures of items I'll be selling or any tips because it is a fashion tip page too. It's not just selling items, but I will be launching that by the end of this week and the beginning of next week. And then June 25th is when I actually want to start putting stuff to sell because it is first come first serve. I've honestly become so obsessed with cream contour. I don't know if it's just me, but just like the summer vibe, like I'm tired of just wearing like, I just want to have like that dewy creamy look to the whole Black Lives Matter movement. If you guys want somebody to talk to, if you guys want to have a conversation, let me know. You guys can always hit me up on Instagram. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I never do winged eyeliner, y'all. So I've been getting the hang of it lately. I just feel like it's not that I don't really, okay, I don't know how to do it correctly, but I feel like it's more like I feel like I don't look good with it. You know, I'm getting used to it. I'm starting to just embrace some of the stuff that other people think looks good on me that I'm insecure about. Go in with some powder in the shade What Shady Beaches. Oh, that's so cute. Something else that I wanted to talk to you guys about, starting to work with a small business, small lash business, and you guys have probably seen it on my Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram here. You need to go check out their lashes. They're so freaking cute. I'm waiting for mine to come in. Just come lashes, like it comes like little other like goodies and stuff. It's really nice and it's really not expensive. I think the most a set is, because it's not just the lashes, I think the most a set is $20, and I'll be reviewing their lashes too, guys, so don't worry if you guys want to wait for me to review that. You guys can wait, but just make sure you guys go follow them, go check them out. They're a small business. Put some blush on my face. Also, I want to say I have gained a couple new subscribers. Hi. I feel like this video has just been ranting a lot. Obviously I just wanted to update you guys and talk to you guys, but hi to everybody that has subscribed. I'm so happy you guys are here. I hope you guys really enjoy my channel, enjoy what it's about. I do different beauty makeup stuff, and I also like to do vlogs with my friends. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy my channel and welcome. I'm just gonna do some highlights. Actually, let me spray my face. I've been loving this so a New York revitalizing rose mist. Guys, this is so bomb. This has been bomb. Let me do my highlight. I'm gonna grab my Kylie highlight. This is in the shade Ice Me Out. Guys, how do you guys feel about quarantine like being kind of over? Like where I'm at, Boston is in phases right now. So I think we're going on to phase 2, I think this week. So I'm really excited about that because your girl needs to get her eyebrows done. I saw this girl on TikTok. She was showing her like lash routine. She said that she curls it 10 times. I haven't even been counting, but let's just pretend I am. So this is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I actually heard so many good things about this. A lot of my friends in high school used to wear this, so I finally bought it. All right, guys, so that concludes my chit chat get ready with me life update video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot what I was gonna say. And turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified when I post. Also, don't forget to check out the link in my description to find out ways that you can help with the Black Lives Matter movement. Please don't forget to check out Talitha's Closet. I'm so excited to start this new chapter of my life. Check out Talitha's Closet for some style tips and the drops of some outfits that I will be selling. That concludes today's video, today's updates, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.